Disclaimer. All information is directly pulled from the most current listings of United States codes at the time of uploading. No person should take the information or interpretations presented here as legal advice, or advice of any kind. All legal research or request for legal interpretations should be done individually, as all information presented can be changed at any moment. United States Code Title II, the Congress. Chapter 2, Organization of Congress. Section 29A, Early Organization of House of Representatives. Paragraph A. Line 1. The text reads: The majority leader or minority leader of the House of Representatives, after consultation with the Speaker, may at any time during any even-numbered year call a caucus or conference of all incumbent members of his or her political party who have been re-elected to the ensuing Congress and all other members-elect of such party, for the purpose of taking all steps necessary to achieve the prompt organization of the members and members-elect of such party for the ensuing Congress. This means: on any even-numbered year, the majority or minority leader, the heads of the Democrats or Republicans depending on who has the most/least number of members in the House, can call for a meeting of all members and members being elected in their party to organize themselves if the Speaker of the House allows. Paragraph A. Line 2. The text reads: If the majority leader or minority leader calls an organizational caucus or conference under paragraph 1, he or she shall file with the clerk of the House a written notice designating the date upon which the caucus or conference is to convene. As soon as possible after the election of members to the ensuing Congress, the clerk shall furnish each member-elect of the party involved with appropriate written notification of the caucus or conference. This means: the leader must submit a written declaration of when the meeting is going to happen with the clerk of the House. Once all elections are final, the clerk will give that written notice to all members of the party. Paragraph A. Line 3. The text reads: If a vacancy occurs in the office of majority leader or minority leader during any even-numbered year, and has not been filled, the chairman of the caucus or conference of the party involved for the current Congress may call an organizational caucus or conference under paragraph 1, by filing written notice thereof as provided by paragraph 2. This means: if either of the leader roles is vacant during that even year, the chairman of the caucus, gathering, can call for the meeting in accordance with lines 1 and 2 above. Paragraph B. Line 1. Part A. The text reads: Each member-elect, other than an incumbent member re-elected to the ensuing Congress, who attends a caucus or conference called under subsection A, and each incumbent member re-elected to the ensuing Congress who attends any such caucus or conference convening after the adjournment sine die of the Congress in the year involved, shall be paid for one round trip between his or her place of residence in the district which he or she represents and Washington, District of Columbia, for the purpose of attending such caucus or conference. Payment shall be made through the issuance of a transportation request form to each such member-elect or incumbent member by the Finance Office of the House before such caucus or conference. This means: any member that attends the meeting from paragraph A, after the Congress session is dismissed, will be paid for the round trip to and from Washington, D.C. and their state of residence. The members will be paid by the Finance Office of the House with a transportation request form before the meeting. Adjournment sine die, ending a session of meeting without setting the next date to meet again. Paragraph B. Line 1. Part B. The text reads: Each member-elect, other than an incumbent member re-elected to the ensuing Congress, who attends a caucus or conference called under subsection A, shall in addition be reimbursed on a per diem or other basis for expenses incurred in connection with his or her attendance at such caucus or conference. This means: any newly elected member that attends the meeting will be given per diem of some kind to cover expenses from attending the meeting. Per diem, a money stipend given to someone on official business away from their normal place of employment. Paragraph B. Line 2. The text reads: Payments and reimbursements to members-elect under paragraph 1 shall be made as provided, with respect to members, in the regulations prescribed by the Committee on House Oversight with respect to travel and other expenses of committees and members. Reimbursements shall be paid on special voucher forms prescribed by the Committee on House Oversight. This means the money paid to the members for the meeting in paragraph A is determined by the Committee on House Oversight. Special voucher forms made by the Committee on House Oversight will be used to distribute money. Paragraph C. The text reads: Availability of applicable accounts of House. The applicable accounts of the House of Representatives are made available to carry out the purposes of this section. This means there are special accounts of money used to make the payments from this section. Paragraph D. The text reads: Orientation programs for new members. With the approval of the majority leader, in the case of a member or member-elect of the majority party, or the minority leader, in the case of a member or member-elect of the minority party, subsections B and C, shall apply with respect to the attendance of a member or member-elect at a program conducted by the Committee on House Administration for the orientation of new members in the same manner as such provisions apply to the attendance of the member or member-elect at the organizational caucus or conference. This means if the leader of the member's respective party approves, a member can also get the payments and reimbursements described in this section for an orientation aimed at new members of the House conducted by the Committee on House Administration. I am not a lawyer, a politician, a representative of the United States government, or an expert in any field related to any of the information being presented here. I am merely a concerned citizen hoping to bring the rules that dictate our country to light in an easier to understand fashion than is being presented to us currently. Thank you. Please go to the Office of the Law Revision Council for a complete list of up-to-date versions of United States codes. The link is in the description below. https://uscode.house.gov. Please like and subscribe for more releases and updates.